When homeowners face water damage to their homes due to weather or man-made situations, they turn to professionals for help. Shockwave from Fiberlock has been the professional's choice for over 15 years as the most versatile EPA-registered cleaner and disinfectant. Shockwave acts as a sanitizer, fungicide, virucide, and bactericide for use on porous and non-porous surfaces. It can be used in over 150 types of buildings and has more than 140 specific kill claims for mold remediation, water damage, biohazard, and infection control. This versatility makes it ideal for storm cleanup, including tough situations like Category 3 sewage-contaminated water. Shockwave also meets the requirements of insurance companies and major industry software. Shockwave does its job within 10 minutes or less after application dwell time. It can be applied with a mop, wipe, trigger spray, compression sprayer, or airless sprayer. Shockwave comes in various configurations: a 1-gallon concentrate that yields 32 gallons of solution and 10-ounce bottles yielding 2.5 gallons of solution. The concentrate offers a very economic option, resulting in an application cost of penny fractions per square foot. For situations where clean water is not available, Shockwave is also available in ready-to-use quantities. Shockwave is also available as a fragrance and dye-free hydrogen peroxide, which is EPA Category 4 disinfectant and cleaner for quick touch-point sanitation. Obtaining Shockwave is easy, as it's available to ship within 1 to 2 business days to almost anywhere in the U.S. and Canada through our network of distributors. No product is more compliant, more versatile, easier to obtain, apply, and rely on than Shockwave. The EPA-registered label and integrity of Shockwave products makes it the premier choice for restoration professionals to use for effective storm response and recovery efforts. When disaster strikes, turn to Shockwave. For more information, visit fiberlock.com. Take 2.